Another child is missing. And this one, I don't know what to say. I really don't know what to say. I don't know where we should go and live. I don't know. So it's Child Protection Month, and yet another child is gone. 8-year-old Ompile Sibilwane was kidnapped from her own home in Ratanda, Heidelberg. She was in pajamas. This is what she was wearing. She was with her family, and she still disappeared. South Africa, what are we doing? What are we doing? What is going on? Women are not safe. Children are not safe. Your own sibling might unalive you and bury you in the yard. What is going on, South Africa? What is going on? So in South Africa, the Child Protection Week ends in early June, but clearly the work doesn't, I don't know what to say. This is Child Protection Month, but we can see Ompilo vanished yesterday, the 6th of June, right as the country wrapped up events about protecting our children. The irony, it's chilling. It's chilling. Legally, the Children Act places a duty on every adult to act in the best interest of the child. But when kids go missing from their own homes, the question becomes, who failed her? Because the parents were there, everyone was there. Like, I don't know. With these other cases, we know that the moms did that, but now I don't understand. They came inside the house, inside the yard, and took the child while the family is there. I don't understand. Help me to understand this. I don't. So who is Umpilo? Umpilo Sibulwane is an 8-year-old. I have a 8-year-old girl, and I'm terrified. I am terrified. She's in grade 2C at Shamila Ridge Primary School. When she was last seen, she was wearing pink track pants, a maroon top, and a black jacket, and pajamas underneath. That tells you she wasn't going anywhere. She was tucked in, safe, and so we thought. Because when you're in your yard, you would think that you're safe. Né?